Hello guys, and welcome to a new video about my home cockpit. In this video I'm gonna show you the MCP from Virtual Avionics. I ordered it 3 weeks ago, and just a week after the order it arrived at my location, and on this evening it was ready to fly. It's a really great MCP. The quality is really good, as you can see here. Wait, there. It's really good quality. Just a good feeling about the knobs and everything. It's really fast, so you can you can turn it slow or fast and make big jumps. You see, from 1 to 248. Really quick. Just really great. The same on the knob. You can turn by 1 and you can turn by hundreds. It works really good. For example, when you want to climb to flight level 300, it's that fast. So easy. All knobs are working really good. It has this switch here to increase or decrease the this movement on the autopilot. The knobs are feeling really good. It's a nice backlight. I'm still on the ground, so I can't turn the autopilot on. But you can see it works very well. The flight directors are working good, and they have this function like when I push the captain flight director on, the light will come up. When I push the co-pilot flight director, there won't be a light, but when I turn off the captain flight director, the others goes automatically on. The same on the other side. When it's on, and it switches to the other side. Auto throttle is the same, works really good. Yeah, it's a really nice. There's they have a little function in here, like the toga. In the real airplane, there's the toga switch on these throttles. But it's very difficult to push this button in your flight simulator on the virtual cockpit. You must change your view, like you must go down and then to the right side, and then you can push the button. It took a long time to push it, so they build a button in here, like when I push it, this button will be pushed. So when the autopilot is on, the autopilot is on, the auto throttle is on, the speed is on, and everything is set, you need to push the button, and the throttle goes, like you can hear it, the throttle goes yeah, full thrust, like it's just like here. So you can see it. I pull the auto throttle on, and then I push the button. You see? So it's a really nice function from Virtual Avionics. It's a really nice project, not project, produal, and I can only recommend it. It's a very good project, very good product. So thanks for watching this video, subscribe me and like my videos. I forgot to say something. It's 1x1 with the autopilot in the PMDG or whatever you fly. So here I've got the APU. When I pull the APU off, the panel goes automatically off. When I pull the APU on and push the APU gen, it flips on again. So you know what I mean? The APU is off. I start the APU and the APU is running, and then I push the APU gen and it's back alive. And you can increase or decrease the backlight with the PMDG lever. So you can see backlight is off. Then I go into the virtual cockpit. There. Here's the knob for the backlight, this one here. And when I make a double click, so that is again a good feature of the on the here you can see it, the light test is working. There you can even see it's a really good project and product, and I'm really happy to have it in my cockpit. So thanks for watching this video, subscribe me and like my videos, and many happy landings. Bye bye.